This week was all about retail after the traditional start of holiday shopping on Thanksgiving weekend. But we're going to start with the diamond trade because there really is a notable difference in sentiment between the midstream and retail segments of the market. There's a lot of caution and uncertainty among the trade. Demand is weak, particularly from China, but also reflecting US buyer restraint. And consequently, polished prices continue to decline. The RapNet Diamond Index for 1 carat diamonds fell 3.1% in November and is now down 9.4% since the beginning of the year. Some categories are stabilizing. Smaller goods below 30 pointers are outperforming larger certified diamonds, particularly in the better qualities. But manufacturers are cautious and are reducing production as polished inventory levels remain high, and that's influencing restraint in the rough market ahead of next week's De Beers site. Retail is more optimistic. The National Retail Federation reported record foot traffic and digital sales over Thanksgiving weekend, while Adobe estimated that overall US e-commerce sales rose 6% on Cyber Monday. On the flip side, China is weak, while Hong Kong is starting to show improvement, although growth there is also limited by the lack of tourist traffic. Fook Holdings, one of the larger jewelry chains in the region, saw revenues slip 0.3% to $713 million in the fiscal half that ended September 30th, while profit rose 0.6% to $84 million. And finally, we're back on the auction circuit with the Christie's and Sotheby sales taking place in New York next week. In a somewhat understated move, Christie's withdrew the 13.15 carat emerald cut fancy vivid pink VVS1 diamond that was supposed to lead the auction. The auction house did not give a reason for pulling the stone, which carried a price estimate of $25 to $35 million. But we have noticed a somewhat underwhelming performance of those special colored pieces this auction season. That said, Christie's raised $46 million at its Hong Kong sale this week, with 86% of the lots on offer sold. A necklace with 52 round, D-flawless and internally flawless diamonds weighing a total 104.84 carats was the top seller. It fetched $5.9 million, which translates to about $56,500 per carat. And so that's our market roundup for the week ending December 2nd. Can you believe it's already the end of the year? Bring on the holidays and bring on 2023. I hope your season has been successful so far. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you next time.
Get the highest cash prices when you sell your Melly and single stone diamonds with Rapaport Auctions. Talk to an expert today.